In this video, I will show you how to change your PayPal account email. To do this, you want to go and open up PayPal. It can be on the app or on the website. And on the app, click on the three lines in the top left. On the website, click on the settings icon. And then from here on the app, scroll down a bit and click on your profile. From the Your Profile section, you want to go and click on Personal Info. Then here you will find your email address. From there, just click on See All next to Emails, and then click Add a New Email. From here, choose which one you want to add. And then you can also set it to make this your primary email, so then that will be your main account email. And then once you click confirm, what will happen is they will send you a code, and from here simply enter that code and then click confirm, and then they know that you actually have access to the email address, and then it will be added to your email addresses. And if you made it the primary one, then you can also choose to delete the previous primary address. So that's how to change your PayPal email. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.